Hey guys, this is Riya and welcome to my channel. Do you wanna know how I got the look from this to this? Then please keep on watching. At first I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer to even out my eyelids. It hides all the discoloration and gives you an even base to start with. Blending it with a brush, you can use a blender or fingertips as you prefer. I'm using Revolution Soap X Extra Spice palette for today's look. Taking Reputation, which is a black shade, and placing it on my crease. Taking Cheesecake and placing this color right above the black shadow and blending everything nicely. Using Running Lead shade, I'm blending the previous shadow to soften the harsh lines. Taking Swiss Beauty Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Earthly Bronze. I'm using this first time and it's really pigmented, as you can see. Lightly blending the edges with a flat brush. I'm taking the Reputation again and blending the ends of the shimmer to get a softer end. Lining my waterline with Plum black pencil. Again with Reputation, I'm setting the kajal. Now I'm cleaning the edges and fallouts with a wet wipe. With Color Bar eyeliner, I'm creating a really thin line to hide the lash band. I created an inner corner wing on off camera, applying falsies and a coat of Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Moving to the base makeup, mixing Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation and NYX Away We Glow Strobing Cream to the back of my hand and blend it all over my face and neck. I'm using Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick as my blush in the shade Touch Up Spice. Now I'm contouring with L'Oreal Pro Concealer. Next I'm using this Maybelline Edge Rewind Concealer to highlight my face. setting everything with Maybelline Loose Powder in the shade Medium. Bronzing my face with Sugar Mini Bronzer in the shade 01. Highlighting my face with Revolution Soapix Highlighter Palette. Last but not the least, I'm applying these two shades by Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance and Touch of Spice. And that's it for my birthday glam makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If so, please show me your love by liking this video and following me on social media. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I love you all. Bye guys.